Join me as I dive deep into the latest expert analysis on Suna stock and see if I can spot some hidden gems in the data. Suna stock has been making waves lately, and it's no surprise why investors are keeping a close eye on it. The company operates in the renewable energy sector, which is rapidly growing and attracting a lot of attention. With the increasing focus on sustainable energy, Suna's business model seems well positioned for long-term success. One of the main challenges Suna stock is facing is market volatility. The renewable energy sector can be unpredictable, with fluctuations in government policies and regulations affecting the industry as a whole. Additionally, Suna faces stiff competition from established players in the market, which can make it tough for the company to stand out. Another challenge is the high upfront costs associated with renewable energy projects, which can be a strain on Suna's resources. And let's not forget about the impact of global economic trends on the energy sector, which can have a ripple effect on Suna's stock performance. Recent news surrounding Suna has been mixed, with some analysts expressing concerns about the company's financials. However, others have pointed out that Suna's recent financial reports show promising growth in revenue and a solid pipeline of projects. When it comes to expert opinions, some are bullish on Suna's prospects, citing its strong position in the market and innovative approach to renewable energy. Others, however, are more cautious, citing the challenges I mentioned earlier. A closer look at Suna's financials reveals some interesting trends. The company's revenue growth has been impressive, but its profit margins have been somewhat inconsistent. This could be due to the high costs associated with developing new projects, but it's worth keeping an eye on. Another critical factor to consider is Suna's debt levels, which have been rising in recent years. This could impact the company's ability to invest in new projects and respond to changing market conditions. So, what's the most critical insight about Suna stock's future? In my opinion, it's the company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and innovate its way through challenges. If Suna can continue to execute on its projects and navigate the complex regulatory landscape, I believe it has the potential to deliver strong returns for investors. What sets this analysis apart is the focus on Suna's long-term prospects, rather than just its short-term financials. To recap, we've discussed the main challenges facing Suna stock, including market volatility and competition in the renewable energy sector. We've also delved into recent news and expert opinions, highlighting both the opportunities and risks associated with Suna. The key takeaway is that Suna stock offers a compelling opportunity for investors looking to tap into the growing renewable energy market. If you've got thoughts on Suna stock or other investment opportunities, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Don't forget to check out my other investment analysis videos, where we dive deep into the data and uncover hidden gems in the market.